Ever wondered why 3 over 4, 5 over 4, and 2/2 all look similar but mean completely different things? Stick around. In the next 60 seconds, you'll never see fractions the same way again as cover types of fractions. A fraction is a way of representing part of a whole. Fractions are written as two numbers, one over the other. The number on top is called the numerator. It represents how many parts we have. The number on the bottom is called the denominator. It shows how many equal parts the whole is divided into. There are three main types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. Let's break them down. First, proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction with the numerator that is smaller than the denominator. This means the fraction represents a value less than the whole. Proper fractions are used when we're talking about portions of something. For example, 1 over 6 means 1 part out of 6 equal parts. 7 over 15 and 3 over 100 are also proper fractions. In all of these examples, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Next, improper fractions. An improper fraction is a fraction with the numerator that is greater than the denominator. This means the fraction represents a value greater than the whole. For example, 5 over 4 represents 5 parts out of 4, 19 over 15, and 125 over 99 are other examples. Improper fractions are often used in situations like measuring or recipes, where the quantity can exceed a single unit. Finally, mixed fractions. A mixed fraction is a fraction containing a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. It represents a value greater than 1, but not a whole number. Examples of mixed fractions include 2 1/2, which means 2 whole units plus 1/2. 5 and 7 over 9, and 9 and 4 over 5 are also mixed fractions. Mixed fractions are often used when dealing with real-world measurements like distances or time. For instance, you might walk 2.5 miles or bake something for 1 3/4 hours. Why are fractions important? Fractions are everywhere. Dividing a pizza, sharing money, or following a recipe uses fractions. Understanding the different types of fractions helps us work with portions, comparisons, and even probabilities in daily life. To recap, there are three main types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. A proper fraction is a fraction with the numerator that is smaller than the denominator. An improper fraction is a fraction with the numerator that is greater than the denominator. A mixed fraction is a fraction containing a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Fractions aren't just math symbols, they're the language of parts, proportions, and precision. Master them, and you start thinking like a mathematician. Now that you understand proper, improper, and mixed fractions, in the next video we'll explore how to convert mixed fractions to improper ones, and back again. Stay sharp, stay curious.